And the most full and the most useful node is a mountain, that you can directly create a simple mountain with it. And I tell you again, be careful about the dimension. It's 5 kilometer. Don't forget that. It has a simple scale. If you want to make it more bulky, you can activate the bulk. You can change the height if you want. If you want to make it taller or change the height. And here, as you can see, we reached to the edge. You can blur the edge to make sure that we don't reach the edge here. As you can see, the edge. Nice. You can change the scale if you want. Scale of the whole mountain. And here we have a different type of the mountain, type A, type B. We have a different, it's like a randomize it if you want. Type C, it's a different algorithm for generating the mountain if you want. Nice. And you can change the seed for creating this generator randomly. So this is a simple mountain that you can create. Don't forget, it's a very huge mountain. The dimension of the Gaea is big train, 5 kilometer or more. If you go into the build train definition, as you can see, you can go way to 100 kilometer. Interesting. Don't forget that. Okay, this is a simple mountain node that you can combine it with other nodes. Just in this series, we are going to one by one of these nodes to understand. You have to first understand the noise, the nodes, and then combine into each other and give you a lot of examples to better understand the Gaea. Okay, go to other node.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.